I was very happy with what I was able to get, knowing that where my credit was and knowing that I already had different business card with different institute. By you walking me through those process, I was able to get much more. I like the fact that you still made sure that you checked up on me to make sure everything that I needed to do was done, and that made the process so much easier,
Mm.
less overwhelming. The process was not hard at all, to
Mhm.
be honest with you. It doesn't matter how educated you are, what knowledges you have, they're going to walk into the process and they're going to keep following up with you to make sure that you're okay. And it wasn't about anything other than making sure I'm comfortable where I need to be at. And do I need any more help? Let me know if you need help. So I definitely love the fact that my hand was never let go.
All right. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Marvin Francois here, CEO of Takeoff Financial. And today is a very special day because I have the privilege of being able to sit down with one of our business funding clients, Miss Jackie, who we were able to successfully get access to $62,000 in business credit. I'm looking forward to this conversation and also looking to diving into her journey of how we got here and how we could potentially help you do the same. But without further ado, Miss Jackie, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. How's everything
Hello,
on your end?
hello, hello, hello. I'm doing well. How are you? I'm doing good. Everything on my end is great.
Awesome. Fantastic. I'm very excited to get on this call here with you and dive a little bit into your story, of course, talking about how we got to this point. And I hope you are as well.
I'm ready for you.
Okay, good, good. So to start off, tell for the people who are watching, tell everyone a little bit about yourself, who you are, what kind of business you have, and what audience you serve with your business.
Well, I have two different businesses. My first business is actually an investment company where I help small business entrepreneur, start up their business, help them with marketing, clientele, and definitely I also do real estate. So I invest in real estate. My second business is actually more management consulting, where I also help small business owners with marketing their business, making sure they set up from start to finish and actually get them to the point to where they can actually be able to maneuver through their business on their own by giving them financial support also.
Awesome. Awesome. What inspired you to start both of these businesses?
Because I have been in retail management for over 3 decades,
Mm,
um, I have seen a lot of different of my managers, wanted to start their business, didn't know how to start their business.
mhm.
So because I do different leadership courses and different things with my profession, I said, you know what, let me start educating myself
Mhm.
where I can actually educate them and how to go out and actually start their own business because they have the mindset for it. They just need support.
Beautiful. Very well said. So you have these respective businesses. Where exactly or when exactly did you get to the point where you knew, like, okay, I have these businesses, things are going well, but it's time to take it to the next level. And I think I may need some funding to do that. When did you get to that point?
Well, what I was doing, I got to that point when I realized that I had good credit,
Mm,
but I didn't want to start going out and actually utilizing my personal credit
mm,
to fund my business. So I was seeing all these different, advertisement about how you can fund your business, but I wanted to get more educated on how to do it. And I said, you know what? If I have stabilized credit or great credit,
mhm.
let me see how I can actually get support to get business funding without having to utilize my own personal funding.
That makes perfect sense. I'm actually more curious to know for you because I think a lot of business owners know they need access to capital. What
Mhm.
about getting access to capital made it so important for you to do right now? Why not 2 months from now? Why not 6 months, a year, 3 years from now? What was it about right now that made it a priority for you?
Because I wanted to more focus on the real estate part of it.
Mm,
And in order for me to do that, I needed to do that. I needed to get the funding right now because I already did all of my research, figure out what I needed to do.
mm.
But at this point, I needed the funding right now to actually capitalize it to take it to the next level.
Awesome, awesome. So you very got very clear about why you needed the funding and when you needed the funding. You ultimately got connected with us. Once we started working with each other coming into the program, what was the biggest goal, or if you had more than one, What were those goals that you had for once you acquired the capital, whether it was how much you were looking to get access to and what you were looking to ultimately invest in?
My goal was definitely to get pretty much between 50 to 100K.
Hmm.
That was my goal. But
Mm,
again, that's just a goal. And pretty much once I figure out the amount that I needed,
mm,
then I wanted just to make sure that I said, okay, let me figure out where I can go to actually get that funding, because I was not that educated in
mhm,
understanding how to get business funding.
mm.
So that's the reason why that was pretty much my goal, that amount, and then finding, someone that can support me to get to that goal.
And ultimately, you ended up choosing our firm, which of course we appreciate. Talk a little bit about what that process was like for you from the initial conversation that you and I had when we first got connected up until the finish line now, where we were able to help you secure the $62,000 in business credit. Walk me through that process.
Well, to be honest with you, the process was very simple, because once I did my research and I looked at what you guys were doing online, I said, okay, let me more keep watching their videos to actually see what entails and what they do.
Hmm.
Once I did that and I actually contacted you guys online, then someone reached back out to me. I filled out paperwork that I needed to fill out so you can more assess what my needs was,
Yeah.
where I was at, with my credit. And once that pretty much happened, then we started to have an open dialogue and communication in reference to you letting me know, okay, what is the next step? What we need to do, how we're going to get to that next step, what are we looking to do, and pretty much what I needed to assess on my personal credit
Hmm.
for me to get to where I wanted to get to, and what was your assessment on my personal credit, and where you feel that we can get to with my personal credit portfolio.
Yeah. One of the things you said that I appreciate was you talked about how you did your own due diligence, right? You watched some of the videos, you did your research to make sure that, like, okay, I want to get a full understanding of who Takeoff Financial is. Who's this Marvin Francois guy? Who's this guy with the glasses and the mustache that's talking all this stuff about credit, right? I'm curious to know, did you have any skepticism at first coming into the process to where it's like, I'm gonna give these guys a try, but I don't know? Or were you, and if so, what was it that may have eased any concerns you had coming in?
I wasn't skeptical at all, because what I did, I actually been watching all of you guys' different social media profile probably about for 4 months. And I
Okay.
watched and actually saw how the interaction take place. One of the things what I like when you're actually doing a one-on-one with your different podcasts and different interviews, even though you're in that business, you actually listen to what other guys that's in the same business are doing, and then you actually take that and so, okay, I didn't know that. Let me figure that out.
Right.
So I liked it, that open honesty, because you're in the business doesn't mean you know everything about the business.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
So I actually like that, and it wasn't about what you can do or what you have accomplished. It was more about, let me tell you how to get to where you need to get to.
Mm-hmm.
And that's one of the things that I actually like, because a lot of the different profile I would see, you're always seeing they talk about a dollar amount. They don't talk about, what it takes to get to that dollar amount. So some
Mm.
of the things is real superficial.
Yeah.
So I like to where your honesty and how you're open about what you know, what you don't know, and you say, what you appreciate someone tell you that you wasn't aware of.
Yeah.
So that is where I said, let me give you guys that opportunity, because the rest is more about, we're talking about what the dollar amount is to do it, more than you saying, okay, let me see who you are and see how I can help you before you even, figure out if you would take me on as a client,
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
be honest with you.
Yeah, 100%. And to that point, like you said, I mean, I've always been big. Obviously, the world in the space of entrepreneurship is a tough one. So I know with a service like this, where I'm dealing with an entrepreneur like you that needs capital because you want to grow your business, listening comes first, talking comes second, right? I need to know, why you want this funding, right? How much funding you're looking to get access to. What are some of the pitfalls maybe you've run into before that we can make sure you don't get into this time around? And I think we were very intentional about doing that with you coming into the program, and ultimately it got us to the 62,000. I'm curious to know, one of the things you got to experience with our program and what makes us unique is the fact that we have, proprietary lending partners with different lenders all across the country. You were fortunate enough to be able to experience working with some of our partners at some of these different lenders. Could you talk a little bit about what that experience was like from start to finish and dealing with some of these partners?
My experience with that was to be, what I liked about it is where we had that open communication all the time.
Yeah.
Like once that you initiate uh that relationship, then it was an open communication where, all of these different guys that I was, communicating with, you would always check up and make sure, hey,
Yeah.
are you okay? You communicate, I need a follow up, what is
Mhm.
going on? And then it's same thing on, on their side is where we had that open communication. So I like the fact that even though, that communication was with that financial institute, you still made sure that you checked up on me to make sure everything that I needed to do was done
Mhm.
without making me forget to do something or slacking off, to be honest with you. And I actually appreciate that because even though I'm very detail oriented and organized communication, sometimes you get caught up in different things and you never forget to follow up just to make sure I was okay. And that made the process so much easier
Mm.
and more less overwhelming,
Yeah.
to be honest with you.
Yeah, for sure. And I mean, my number one priority for you, and of course, any of the clients that we deal with, is just making sure that I'm always have a clear picture of what's going on your end to make sure that you're always getting taken care of on our end, but also with the partners end as well. So I'm very happy to hear that that's ultimately what happened. You said coming into the program, the goal was anywhere between $50,000 to $100,000 in business credit. We were able to get that with the 62,000. I'm curious to know what was your reaction initially when we finished going through the process and we were able to get to that goal? Was it a sense of peace, happiness, content, excitement? Where were you emotionally?
It was it was definitely peace,
Okay.
excitement. It was definitely to where I didn't think that I would be able to get the amounts that I got.
Mm-hmm.
Because again, you could say what you want. That doesn't mean that's what you're gonna get.
Yeah.
So I was very happy with what I was able to get,
Mm-hmm.
knowing that where my credit was and knowing that, I already had different, business card with different institute. By you walking me through those process, I was able to get much more.
Mm-hmm.
So the process was not hard at all, to
Mm-hmm.
be honest with you. And I'm very content and happy with what I have received.
Now that you've gotten the 62,000, I'm curious to know what's the first thing that you plan on investing in either of your respective businesses?
I'm definitely going to be investing in a salon suite with
Mm.
another partner.
Okay.
And then I'm also going to be investing in distress home
Mm.
duplexes. I'm going to be investing in those. So pretty much 50% of that will go towards that, and the other 50% will go towards that because I'm investing in different things, but those are my two priorities right now.
I love it. I love it. I'm curious to know as we start to close out the call, I wanted to be able to dive into your story, but there's someone who's watching this right now that knows they need funding. They're similar to how you did your due diligence, right? And you were looking into us as a firm. They're doing the same. How do you think your success story can show other entrepreneurs who are watching this what's possible when they work with us?
For anyone that who is watching this, I would definitely tell you that you want to go with someone that is going to actually walk you through the process from, it doesn't matter how educated you are, what knowledges you have, they're going to walk you through the process and they're going to keep following up with you to make sure that you're okay.
Mm.
So I was very nervous coming in because of all the things that I've seen online. But by me getting that support from the time we started, in between, middle, and it made it more not being that overwhelmed because no question was a dumb question and the follow up made it so much easier. And it wasn't about anything other than making sure I'm comfortable
Yep.
where I need to be at. And do I need any more help? Let me know if you need help. So I like that support because, again, we being in the industry that we're at doesn't mean we know everything. Somebody else knows something more. That's why we need to go with that person. So I definitely love the fact that my hand was never let go.
Mm.
You know, and again, I'm an alpha female.
Mm-hmm.
So at the end of the day, you know, certain things I want to do it myself, but because you made my comfortability so extreme to the point that I have that trust,
Mm-hmm.
I just let go and let you guys lead to where I needed to go to get what I want. And that is where I had a peace of mind.
Man, I couldn't have said it any better myself. Ms. Jackie, thank you so much for the kind words. I'm very happy that we were able to help you get to your goal of getting access to the business credit. And for anyone who's watching, I appreciate you guys as well. If you haven't already, take a second, take a minute to go ahead and schedule a call with us so that we're able to help you do the same and learn more about how we can help. But until then, Ms. Jackie, thank you once again for your time. I'm greatly appreciative of it. As always, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Martin Francois. That's Miss Jackie. You guys have been good, and we'll see you soon.
Thank you.